Assalamualaikum and hello and everyone. We show you the highlights of the test match with amazing cricket with tape ball. We're watching that the bowler is using the tape ball and how the whatsoever the nothing with the problem with the pitcher as a part of concern. He managed to make sure that the beats the batsman fishing the and attempting to this delivery. You see that cross his umpire and ball to him, lifted and very nasty one. I think so below. This is the idea. You can play the cricket, and if you the international cricket and beside with the Pakistani cricket, where we are and how we are trying to smuggling the cricket, all these nurseries and the level between the school level and the college level. I think so. But this is the most alarming thing: wasting of the players and wasting of the cricket for such as the 5 days cricket. See that how amazingly and they are very determined with their confidence level. See that how they have been bowling, how fast he is bowling, and I think so. These things have been very much attractive for the bowler as a part of concern of the player as well as usually these things have been a tape ball. The viewers, the question is that how we are reliable and how we know about the cricket. The cricket is a game of gentlemen people, and also I think so. The Test cricket is one of the best idea and the format for international cricket, and how much talent we have. So I just want to show you this 5 minutes clips. Based on a video, is 5 minutes. But very good, very important thing you can point. You can have to be learn and astonish about that. The bowler using their foot marks and deliver the ball with the massive speed, lifted one. Okay, the nasty one, but the batsman is have no circumstance, or totally deceived, I think so. Then the second one again. And this time he played into the covers, and this is their confidence. He's showing that the ball is been showing him very watchfully, and been like a football. He watchful. He watching the ball with. Although the same speed he has, the bowler, but beside all this speed, he been watching the ball like a football and playing into the covers. I think it's more than 100 km per hour. Again, see that the similar one is played to the spoiling area. This little bit fumble, but he gathered the ball and the same speed he has. I think so. This doesn't matter at all. How the pitch has been playing, how the pitch is behavior. The bowler you had the ball and you can deliver the ball. You know about that swinging. You know about the elevation. You have the delivering your confidence and also the posture, body posture, how you deliver the ball. This is the talent, as a natural talent. Amazing one. I think so. You've been happy and enjoyed that. This is not a ordinary thing. It's a very important for everyone. A test cricket with tape ball. Playing in the ground of Lahore Dharampura is Baradari. But this is really been amazing and really been attractive for me, and that is why I've been highlight for you this very important video for you, ladies and gentlemen, and especially for the cricketer who love cricket and who love test cricket. It's really been fun. Oh, look at that! All going through the shoulder of the batsman. He's trying to nick that, but not. The speed is problem, and also the bowler lifted ball, the lifted delivery. Family is just watching. These are the things when we select players and choose the format of cricket. The cricket is now even 2020 cricket and the one-day cricket. These are the different type of format, different type of behavior, and this is really is amazing. Test cricket is the best style. Look at that again. He misses. Bowler teasing him. Totally deductive. And I have no answer. The bowler. The batsman have no answer at all. Rejected one, the batsman totally rejected and deceived the pace and deceived the bowling and the elevation, what the bowler is trying to do. I think so. And now, ladies and gentlemen, especially the cricketers, though they be teenagers, and they want to learn cricket and they want to see the cricketer, how the test cricket is a very important and very interesting game that time, but not as the present time. But I think so. Pakistan national team is not in a good condition. Early they have lost to South Africans, the second test match, and same. Oh, lifted and